Good day to you, ma'am and sir. My name is Marijoy Higana. I am 41 years old, married. I have three children, aged 23 years old, 16 years old, and 9 years old. I have two girls and one boy. I live here in the Philippines. I work in Qatar for 2 years, serving five members of the family, the couple, and the three children, all girls. Age 6 years old, 4 years old, and newborn baby. I work in Qatar as a nanny and household worker as well. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children for the whole day while my employers is at work. First thing in the morning, I'm doing the breakfast of the children and also to my employers, sending them to school, picking them up, making them untidy, give them bath, and giving them healthy food, of course, helping them with their assignments when they came from school. After I send the children for school, I will take care of the small one, the newborn baby. I will give her milk. I am the one who is giving her food, changing diapers, making her milk, giving bath, and after she sleep, I will do the household works like cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, making the laundries, and all. So, to all future employers out there, please give me a chance to work with your family. I promise to give my 100% of dedication to my job. Um, I am a happy person. I like children. And I will take care of your children as well as my own. And I am flexible. I can do multitasking every day. I am hardworking and honest, trustworthy. So please choose me as your helper. I will be a good worker to you and I will finish my contract. Thank you so much and God bless you.